Storm Team 29 forecast.
I'd like to give a big shout out to Mrs. Schreiner's 5th grade class at Grace Christian School in Stanton. Was there earlier this morning to talk about the weather as they continue to study environmental science, earth science, and a weather segment there. And we had a good visit and had a lot of good questions as well. And it was a joy to meet all of you there this afternoon, earlier today. Let's talk about the weather here this morning. We began with foggy conditions, and Warren Faulk captured that nice shot of the sun coming up over the Blue Ridge. You can see the fog down in the valley there. It took a while, but it did dissipate, and temperatures certainly reached some nice levels this afternoon. Barbara captured this shot of the sun on the maple tree there here in Charlottesville, and it was a beautiful day. Made it up to a high of 72 at the airport. 67 is our current reading, and again, temperatures will cool back down in the 40s tonight. We're 62 at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave, touch 67 for an afternoon high. 62 is the current reading in Madison. We've got 62 in Palmyra, 66 there in Livingston, 61 in Waynesboro, 62 in Stanton, and these numbers will settle back into the at least upper 40s across much of central Virginia, some middle 40s in the Shenandoah Valley. Once again, there'll be some areas of fog early tomorrow morning. Our Friday's a beautiful day. Temperatures will set to climb into the lower 70s across the region. Our average daytime high now is in the mid 60s. So really tomorrow and this weekend and even early next week, temperatures above average, making it feel more like September as opposed to early November. Now, of course, this weekend, a lot of events, obviously. 75, about the high we expect in Charlottesville on Saturday, mid 70s here on Sunday. Now, each morning this weekend will likely feature some low clouds that will mix out for some sunshine, but we could run the risk of some drizzle or a few showers, especially during the morning before the sun mixes the low clouds out, and just a function of the wind. And obviously, don't forget, this is the weekend that we fall back 1 hour as standard time resumes and daylight saving time comes to an end. Here we go with the satellite radar combination. Quiet conditions thanks to a large area of high pressure extending from New England down across portions of the mid-Atlantic and the southeast. Meanwhile, storminess out west, snow at the higher elevations, rain at the lower elevations. This frontal system is going to pull out into the plains. Will be more in the way of severe weather breaking out across the southern and central plain states. And look, it's bringing the warmth. Look at all the warmth here, really from Texas all the way up into the northeast, and much colder out west. So the pattern that we have at play is with the jet stream, a trough out west, a ridge in the east, and that's going to keep above average temperatures going right into early next week. So again, it's more like September, what it'll feel like, as opposed to early November. Here we are in the morning. Temperatures will start in the 40s, a little bit of fog. A beautiful afternoon here on Friday with temperatures in the lower 70s, and then a bit more cloud cover starts to build in by early Saturday morning, and there could be a few showers or some drizzle around. That should mix out for some sunshine. Saturday afternoon, temperatures in the low and mid 70s. We'll kind of repeat that again on Sunday. Temperatures here tonight in the mid to upper 40s, some patchy fog developing. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Warmth continuing right through the weekend. And again, a few showers will be possible, especially Saturday and Sunday morning. And then as we look into next week, right now, Election Day on Tuesday, trending dry but cooler in the middle 60s, which is about average now. And then rain chances may increase by the latter half of next week.
All right, Eric, thank you.
Thank you so much, Eric. We will be right back.